Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Ketenat Social Welfare ke Sarkar Jela ubak Kyrmen Jela ubalongru UMLA na kaseng United Democratic Party na Kleriat Constituency ulaong hagabede bat kacing jed jong kaseng bat ka RDA ya Kyrtong syake election MP kalong kajing Kyrmen bat kani kalongru ya barok ki Kyrtong ki balami syakmat banyak hun ki election la ki long jong ke MP ni ki wei ru Henry kum kaseng hi ka kerpat yu pat ba Lada ki ailat yu UDP kebadan hapok ke syatri jong ke RDA bahkan trei ya ke kam kumta ki pat ba kin sala ban bishar ya ki baro Shushu ba Kyrmen ulaong ru ha kabede bat ka jingong jong ki pat ba baki seng reulum kin kut tang ha bernihat kadai namar ba ki breu baro shikat ta ki perkhat tang ya kata Henry lada ampersang ban her kan mentoi le ayu ban don yi ki thap nyang kumta don kam ya kalat na benta ban la ban her shiki benta ba shajrong la benrap uba shla ulaong ru ba Kyrmen lingba ka jing kershan bar ka jing ailat jong ki pat ba ka shlong parliamentary seat ya Kyrtong jong ka seng kin la ban yo ya ka jing job bat kum ki khot jong ka RDA baro kinye trailang nakabenta ban Pynjop ya Kyrtong Lajong hakani ki election MP ka ban wan bat kum ka seng UDP kam Tieng lada ki don da ki spa ngut ki Kyrtong ne ki seng ba pheru Henry ka thong hi jong ka seng kalong ban Pynjop bet ya Kyrtong Lajong.
That's a hope. Actually, not only the RDA, all the candidates who will be contesting any election, not only just the MP, but what I feel, a candidate when he stands for any election, when he contests, with the hope that he will be the winner. The same thing for us also, we are fighting to win the election, and we will request the public how we have been doing. We will, if they give us a chance to serve, then only they'll know whether we can do it or not. So I feel it's a high time for the people of the state to give one chance to the UDP in the in the umbrella of RDA, so that our candidate to go and perform in the parliament. So for this, I would like to request that people of the state, please kindly support us. So we will show them that we also can be a leader, not only just in the state, even in the Delhi itself, in the parliament.
Most of the leaders of the national parties, they used to say that regional parties end up only in Barnihat. So what do
That's why people used to think it that way. So until unless you try to fly, you'll not be able to fly if you have wings also. So to be able to fly, you have to try. Then for that, you have to get the opportunity. So until unless you have the opportunity to fly, you'll not be able to fly. You'll just keep sitting and thinking that I cannot fly. So the same thing with us. Until unless they give us a chance. So how can they say that? Give us one time. Then only you can say that, oh, we end up just in Meghalaya.
Your competitor is Mavinson Pala, leaders like Mavinson Pala and Kong Lingto. So these people don't have the track record of losing any election. So do you think that regional parties stand any chance?
What I have just said, for us, we the hope, and then chances is with the people of our state. All of us with our votes, I believe that will give the chance to the candidate. And I believe this is a high time and it's a right time for us, with the hope that people will give us chance. So I believe this time our candidate will be the winner of this election. It's not that I'm just saying it from my mouth, because all of us, the 14 MLAs of the RDA, we will work hard for him and we will try to make sure that he'll be the winner of this election.
Ma, but don't you think that with the VPP also fielding a candidate for the MP, don't you think that it spoiled this mission of the regional party to get a chance to also be the voice of the people in parliament?
That's what people know it better whom to choose, when and how. So for this, we don't have any fear of any party who's the candidate against us. We will not mind if there are hundreds or thousands of candidates contesting. Our motive is that the UDP candidate under the umbrella of RTA, he should be the winner. We are not against those people that doing something wrong to them so that they lose the election. Our motive is that to win the election. Their losing is keep it aside. We don't mind. They lose, they win. We have nothing to do with that. But we have only one thing to do is that our candidate should win.
How do you see the performance of the sitting Congress MP from Shillong?
For that, I have no comments because there's nobody is perfect, so I cannot comment against him or for him. But all we want is that our candidate, hopefully, he will win the election, and he will do the best for the people of his state. I mean, the state as a whole.
What will be the main issues that the UDP under, like you said, under the umbrella of the RTE will go to the people and seek their votes?
Actually, not only for him, not only for our party, but to all the candidates, whoever be the winner, to serve the people of the state. So that is what I feel. So exactly what to say, these agendas to be taken. So that will come out when at the platform of this election campaign. So for this, we will share it soon. As of
And
now,
candidates?
we have not decided yet. So because I was not able in the meeting recently, so maybe they have decided, but I don't have the knowledge about it.
Thank you so much.